Bonjour tout le monde, je suis Prof. John et on va parler du module 2. We're going to talk about module 2. I know this winter session is a little bit fast, it's an intensive course, but you are doing great. No worries about VHL activities, just complete it before the unit test. There is a glitch that doesn't allow me how to fix the due dates, but the only established due dates are the unit test dates. So complete any assignment related to VHL before the unit test. That's all, before taking it. And let's go to the module 2. So you are going to visit D2L in the content page. And for this module, we have similar things as in the first one. So this one is going to be a little shorter because we have started today out of it. That is Unit 2, Lesson 1, Lesson A. And we are going to have 2 days. Next Monday, that is going to be related to VHL. So what we have in this chapter, in this unit, we are going to work about the classes, the courses, and the university vocabulary and situations. We are going to talk about the liaison and the R pronunciation. And we are going to have a little bit about culture, about university and the life at university. Also, we are going to start conjugation of ER verbs ending. Also, we are going to learn how to do questions, how to make questions. Also, we are going to know how to use negative structures and how to use the verb avoir, that is to have in French. Also, we are going to learn a little bit about telling time. Then we are going to have some cultural readings about France and how it is to study abroad. Then we are going to have, besides the VHL activities, you are going to have feedback on Notre Tableau de Cours about Unit 1. And once you have that feedback, I will create some videos about it to precise some stuff. You are going to start the composition 1 in Padlet. Composition 1 in Padlet is going to be done after you receive the feedback, and you are going to write down more or less 10-15 sentences according to the prompt. No worries, this activity is on completion. Complete it as best as you can, as better as you can, and you are going to receive full grade. The most important thing here is the feedback I can provide you to be prepared for the Unit 2 test. Then we are going to have the Flipgrid activity number 2, in which you have already the instructions here, and then the Flipgrid. In the Flipgrid number 2, what you're going to do, this is the number 1 basically, because it's the Unit 1. Remember, it's going to be once we finish a unit that we are going to do the composition and the Flipgrid. And this Flipgrid number 1 is just an introduction of yourself. Vous allez vous présenter. You are going to introduce yourself. And this one is the winter one, of course. And in this, you are going to have how to introduce yourself. You are going to follow the prompt. And you are going to check with your friends, with your partners. And it's basically a practice of the Unit 1 content. Then, what we have here, in the next day, you are going to have the test. I know this is super fast. Just try to complete any VHL assignment before the test, the unit test. You are going to watch the video about Cross-Korean, and also you are going to check the grammar, the test review that is going to be ready by then. And you are going to complete a little survey about how it's going on these 2 weeks, at least 2 weeks of work we have had. And also you are going to choose your time, your spot time for the oral midterm. It's going to be easy, trust me. Here you have the instructions, follow my comments on the instruction, follow the side comments I put in our reviews. They're going to be useful for you. And that's all. So this video is going to be available here, and I'm going to make visible the Unit 2. So you can start it as soon as you can. And that's all. Enjoy your holidays. Au revoir!